Monday with a stewardship project, right? And what did you do?
We cleaned up the trail and dig ditches.
Okay, we cleaned up the trail, dig ditches. Then we spent a couple days exploring different ecosystems around Islandwood. Then you guys wrote some poetry yesterday about how you were different, right? Thinking about how this experience has impacted you. So what we're going to do now is something I call a silent conversation. And it's just a way to get some of those ideas around stewardship, around our time in nature, and what we've learned here, what we want to tell our families, and get those ideas onto paper. This is going to be your stewardship book that you're going to send back to school with you guys. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to lay out, I have lots of different questions written out. So I'm going to lay one of these sheets maybe over in different sections around here. And then you guys are going to be divided into teams, and you're going to silently answer these questions, okay? And the cool thing about a silent conversation is you can write something, and then you see a friend write something, and you're like, oh, I love that too, and you can kind of draw an arrow, and then be like, I felt this too, or I also saw this. And so you guys can kind of have a conversation with your writing with one another, okay? So we are going to divide into a couple teams, and then I will rotate you, okay? And so when I say switch, then you'll move to the next question, okay? Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. And then when we're done, we're going to have a little bit of kind of like an art walk, where we get to walk around and read all of the responses that people put on the silent conversation.